Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make this blanket pattern. This is reversible pattern and this is really very cozy and very good blanket for the kids. There is no big stitches, there is no hole, and this is the perfect pattern for the baby blanket. And this is very fast going, this is not wool eater, and this is really very easy, and I really enjoyed to make this pattern. So without wasting our time, let's begin our video. For this pattern, I am taking this 4-ply wool. You can take a little thick wool also. This blanket is really good for the thick wool or thick crochet hook. The pattern will come very good. With this, I am taking little thick 7 number crochet, which is 4.0 mm. Usually I took 6 number crochet hook with 4-ply wool, but with this pattern I am taking this 7 number crochet hook, which is 4.0 mm crochet. So let's start our video. We will start to make a slip knot. And you can start like this also. Okay, for this pattern we should make chains in even number, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We will not make in even number our foundation chain, like 3, 6, 7, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so we will make, I'm just making a sample for this video, so I'm making only 10 chains for this sample. 2, 3. But one more thing, you have to make this foundation chain with very loose hand. Okay, this total pattern we will make with very loose hand. Okay, I have made 10 chains and one more chain extra for the starting. So I have made total 11 chains, 10 chains for the pattern and one extra chain for the starting. Okay, now skip very first chain, and from the second chain start to make single crochet in every chain. This is our first round, and in first round we are making single crochet in every chain. I'm making with very loose hand. Make these single crochets with very loose hand. Okay, so I have 10 single crochets, chain 1 and turn over for the second round, and from here we will start our pattern. In the first chain we will make single crochet like this. Now we will take yarn over the hook, and from the back side, this one, we have loop in the back side of this single crochet. This one, this is the first loop. Into this we will make and take yarn into the all loops like this, and skip next chain, and in the next chain make one single crochet like this, and again take yarn over the hook, and from the back side into this first loop, this one, take yarn into the all loops like this, and skip next chain, and into the next chain make one single crochet like this. See again, in the back side in this loop, and now take yarn into the all loops like this. Skip next chain into the next chain, make 1 single crochet. I am making with very loose hand. Again repeat the same pattern again and again. Skip next chain into the next chain, make 1 single crochet. Again and in the last chain make 1 single crochet like this. Chain 1, and here I have completed my first round. Okay, for the next round turn over and in the very first chain make 1 single crochet and again repeat the same pattern into the back side like this. Now you can see the space, this space. You can see the spaces after every stitch, and we will make every stitch into these spaces. Let me show how. In this space make 1 single crochet with very loose hand and repeat the same pattern, same stitch, and into the next space, into this space single crochet. Like this. And again repeat the same stitch and in the last make 1 single crochet like this. We will repeat exact same pattern. In the first chain make 1 single crochet, same stitch, and in the next space here make 1 single crochet again. Like this we will complete our pattern. And it will look like this. I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.